No, I know Tebogo. I know maybe today he was extra motivated to show to his coach in Sundowns that it was not right to put him on the bench or.
Bafana Bafana head coach Hugo Broos has once again raised concerns about Tebogo Mokwena's lack of game time at Mamelodi Sundowns, following the midfielder's outstanding performance for the national team. Despite not making a single appearance for Sundowns, Mokwena delivered a stellar display during Bafana Bafana's 5-0 rout of Congo in their Africa Cup of Nations qualifier, scoring a brace and reminding everyone of his talent. Mokwena's selection in the national squad had sparked debate, with some questioning his inclusion due to his absence from the club action. Among the critics was former Bafana Bafana star Dr. Khumalo, who suggested that if Mokwena's situation at Sundowns did not change, he should be dropped from the national team. However, Broos has remained steadfast in his belief in Mokwena's abilities, expressing frustration with the Sundowns' decision to sideline the player. Speaking after the victory in Gqeberha, Broos was clear in his stance and said the progression Tebogo has made in the last 2 years has been enormous. He's become a very good player. I know today he was extra motivated to show to his coach at Sundowns that it was not right not to select him. I have to accept and respect the decision by Sundowns coach Manqoba Mgqithi, but I can't agree. I think today proved why I can't agree with why he's not playing at Sundowns, but it's not my problem. Mokwena's situation isn't unique. Kuliso Mudau, another Bafana Bafana player, has also been largely overlooked by Sundowns this season. Despite this, Hugo has emphasized his confidence in both players and said, "I trust them completely to get the job done for the national team. I know how good they are and how important they are for us." Broos did, however, express hope that Sundowns will reconsider their stance, adding that if the situation remains unchanged, he may be forced to make difficult decisions regarding future call-ups. And said, "I just pray that Sundowns change their mind and that the guys get an opportunity to play again, because if things don't change, I will have to take decisions I don't like to make." Meanwhile, fans also voiced out their frustration on social media, criticizing Sundowns for not utilizing Mokwena. One fan remarked, "Manqoba needs to eat humble pie and let Mokwena start for Sundowns." While another one added, "At this point, Manqoba Mgqithi must be questioning his life decisions." As the debate continues, all eyes will be on how Sundowns handle their squad and whether Mokwena will be given the chance to build on his national team heroics back at the club level. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.